Yeah. Good afternoon, everybody. Today I would like to speak about residential status of an individual. Okay, if you live in India and receive a salary from an individual, it means that if you have a property in India or are doing business or earning income through other means, you are required to pay tax to Government of India. Okay, the trick to paying taxes to the government is to first consider where you live. And here we discuss what kind of rules a person has to implement depending on the state of residence. Okay. Individual person, I mean residential status are classified into mainly two categories. First one residents, second one non-resident. Resident also classified into two types. Herein ordinarily resident, second one is non-ordinarily resident. First of all, we will know about resident. Resident is the length of time a person has lived in place. That is, let us find out his residence status, whether he was born in India and stays abroad or was born abroad and stays in India for a few days. And now you have to implement certain conditions to become a resident. Okay, right. Residence means according to Income Tax Act 1961, Section 6, subsection 1, one condition. Condition 1, first one, person must have been in India for 182 days in the previous year. Okay, this is the first condition. And next condition, or. Okay, second, the person must have been in India for 60 days or more during 4 previous years immediately preceding the previous year. Okay, these are the two conditions. Right. Still you have one more opportunity to become a residence. Right. The exemption is that you must have been in India for at least 60 days and 365 days in the previous 4 years. Okay. These conditions have to implement to become a resident. Right. Second one, ordinarily resident. Ordinarily resident. To become an ordinary resident, according to Income Tax Act 1961, Section 6, subsection 6. Section 6, subsection 6. We must have been a resident at least twice in the last 10 years. At least twice in the last 10 years. This condition have to implement to become a ordinarily resident. Okay. Next, third one, not ordinarily resident. To become a not ordinarily resident, person have to implement one condition. Person have to implement one condition. The condition is person has been in India for a period of totally 730 days or more during 7 years immediately preceding the relevant previous years. Okay, this condition related to or not ordinary resident. And next and last one, non-resident. Non-resident means they call non-resident is none of them are implemented. None of them are implemented. Okay, this is the information about residence. Thank you.